I have with me two expert users from CNH Industrial.
I'm Hemant Gawade. I work in the product cost management team as a design to value engineer plus the process methods and tool specialist.
My name is Oliveira. I'm responsible for design to value, process methods, and tools.
So I'll start with you with my next question.
Okay.
What is the thing that your team does at CNH that you think the rest of your company is probably unaware?
We are starting the new philosophy of doing cost in the early phases. We need to work on the early phases of our projects to work on the cost avoidance and in the best technical solutions right when we are starting the projects and the programs.
So probably a lot of design engineers are not aware how much time it could save them in terms of rework to evaluate cost at the beginning of the design stage.
So we want to introduce or start using the tool early into design phase. There are primarily two objectives we want to take away from that. One is the understand the DFM, design for manufacturability. So if there are any issues identified early in the design phase, it's really easy to work through that and fix it ahead of the time. Second thing is, of course, the saving. So as we go into later design phase, the cost to make changes increases. So once we have that awareness ahead, the changes are done ahead, and we do a lot of cost avoidance. I wouldn't say cost saving, but cost avoidance, just going into the manufacturing, knowing everything ahead of the time.
And it sounds to me that the time to market gains really incorporate both of those two things that you mentioned, DTC, design to cost, and DFM, design for manufacturability. They're not two separate disciplines. Both of them are helping reduce rework and speed time to market.
Our engineers for me, is the best engineers that we have in the world. They are doing a very good job in a very short time. What we need to do in this challenge is show them that you're going to gain on the time of rework, and you're not going to do that anymore.
We are working with some ideas how to increase the usage and how to encourage engineers to use more. One of the initiative we took is we have a phase gate approval system, and we are trying to build the costing process right into the design process. So it will be part of the initial design activity, so they don't have to feel the burden or try to bypass it. We have seen over the last couple of years, due to many events, the market is very volatile, fluctuating. And by the time you deal with the design and go up to the production, there is a lot of change happening in the cost. So you need to be fast in development, you need to be quick to the market. So aPriori is a tool which is helping a lot in making those educated decisions ahead of time and saving a lot of upfront time and cost.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us this year.
Thanks for having us.